How the new stimulus bill will affect your bank account and the 2020 tax return. Last Saturday, the US Senate passed a $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan. The pandemic relief bill now is on President Biden's desk, and he's about to sign it. I will continue to update this as the bill moves forward. As of right now, this morning, it still hasn't been signed, and we are all expecting it soon. I'm Elena Korsakova, CPA in California. Welcome to my channel. As a virtual CFO and finance mentor, I guide entrepreneurs and small business owners to take control of their financial future and build a sustainable, profitable business. You can find lots of information about your available financial resources in my prior live trainings here, and you can watch them here in my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give me love, subscribe to my channel, and also if you find this information valuable, please share it with others. If you are a woman entrepreneur or business owner, join our Facebook community, Women Entrepreneurs Building Wealth. So, how big are the stimulus payments in the bill and who is eligible? The stimulus payment would be $1,400 for most recipients. Those who are eligible would also receive an identical payment for each of their children. To qualify for the full $1,400, a single person would need an adjusted gross income of $75,000 and below. For heads of household, adjusted gross income would need to be $112,500 or below. And for married couples filing jointly, that number would need to be $150,000 or below. And what should you do if you still haven't gotten a payment from a past round of stimulus? If you were in fact eligible to receive it and you can try and you haven't received it, you can try to recover it through the so-called recovery rebate credit when you file your 2020 tax return. You can make your claim on lines 30 of Form 1040. Just don't forget to do that if you haven't received actual check or funds into your bank account. Okay, next question. How would the stimulus bill affect unemployment payments? If you are already receive unemployment benefits, and I know this is the first time in the US history when self-employed or independent contractors are eligible, who file Schedule C, are eligible for unemployment benefits if their business significantly has been affected by the COVID-19. And if you're already receiving those benefits, payments would be generally extended for another 25 weeks until September 6. And the weekly supplemental benefits, which is provided on top of your regular benefit, will remain $300 per week, but run through September 6. And you need to know that those unemployment benefits are taxable. You will need to include them into your tax return. And the new law would make the first $10,200 of benefits tax-free for people with incomes of less than $150,000. And this applies to 2020 only. So if you already filed your 2020 taxes, how do you claim that new tax break? Because this is actually a huge tax break for you. Well, it is not yet clear, but you may have to file an amended return. According to a Senate aide, that's how they suggest. The IRS has not issued formal guidance yet. But we just hope that they will figure it out a way to make these changes happen automatically. That's why I suggest my clients maybe wait for a few days. For those who are eager to file their tax returns now, maybe wait for a few days until this bill will be finalized, will be signed, and the and the IRS will be able to adjust some tax forms to reflect all these changes. So you don't have to file an amendment return. And what other changes, significant changes in the bill? If you have student loans and student loan changes that included in the bill are, there will be a big one for people who already have debt. You wouldn't have to pay income taxes on forgiven debt if you qualify for loan forgiveness or cancellation. Now, many people are wondering if tax day will be pushed back again this year because of the pandemic. And here is what I know so far. Last year, the deadline for filing your federal income tax return was pushed back from April 15 to July 15 because of the COVID-19 pandemic. And you know that. However, even though the start of tax season is later than usual this year, we started February 12, the April 15, 2021 due date hasn't been changed for most people, at least so far. And if you are a victim of February winter storms in Texas and Oklahoma, you can wait until June 15th, 2021 to file your 2020 federal income tax return. I know, we know that we had these terrible storms and those states were severely affected. And if there are the natural disasters between now and April 15, other Americans could have filed their could have their filing deadline pushed back too. So just wait for a few days until all this will be finalized, so you can file it and take all advantages of the new law and don't have to do any amendments. Please be sure you check my previous videos, and if you like this video, give it like, subscribe to the channel, and also please share it with others. Stay tuned and I will keep you posted about all other new developments.